Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Monday.com. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This ensures you have access to all your boards and can start organizing your tasks with checklists right away. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Now, take a look at the left panel of your screen. This is where all your boards are listed. Navigate through this panel and click on the specific board where you want to create your checklist. Choosing the right board is important because it determines which tasks and projects your checklist will be associated with. Once you're inside the board, you'll still be working from the left panel. Find the task where you want to add the checklist. Right beside the task name, you'll notice a small icon that represents Open Task Page. This icon is your gateway to accessing detailed options for that particular task, including the ability to add checklists and other customizations. Go ahead and click on this icon to open the full task page. Now that the task page is open, direct your attention to the right panel of your screen. This is where you'll find various options for managing and organizing the task. Look for the section labeled Checklist and click on it. This opens up the checklist feature, allowing you to break down your task into smaller, manageable items that you can track individually. At this point, you'll see a field where you can enter the name of your checklist item. Type in the name you want to use and then press Enter. This adds the item to your checklist immediately. If you have multiple items you need to track within this task, you can keep adding them one by one. Just enter each name and press Enter after each one. This flexibility allows you to create as comprehensive a checklist as you need for any given task. Once you've added all the checklist items you need, it's time to save your work. Click the Update button to finalize and save your checklist. This ensures that all the items you've entered are stored properly and will be visible the next time you or your team members open this task. If you need to create checklists for other tasks within the same board or even in different boards, simply repeat these steps. Just navigate to the task, open the task page using the small icon, click on Checklist in the right panel, add your items, and click Update. It's a straightforward process that becomes even quicker once you've done it a few times. And that's it. You've successfully created a checklist in Monday.com, making it easier to track progress and stay organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.